Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories, the podcast where English is simple and sometimes even funny. My name is Leo, and I am very happy you are here. But today, I am not talking alone. I have a wonderful guest with me. Please say hello to the amazing Anna.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone listening. I am so excited to be here today. Thank you for inviting me.
Anna, I'm glad you're here because today's topic is important, very important. Let me ask you a big question to start our episode. Why do people always feel stressed about money? What do you think?
Wow, that is a strong question. Maybe because money is connected to everything: food, rent, travel, our future. And sometimes money runs away from us very fast.
Yes, money runs away faster than my dog when he sees a squirrel. So today, we want to help our listeners feel more confident with money, in English and in real life. Okay, Anna, let's start with something simple. Where do you keep your money?
Well, some money is in my wallet. That is cash, paper money, and coins. But I don't use cash every day. Coins are too heavy. My bag feels like a rock.
Same here. That's why I use my cards. Sometimes my wallet has 1 coin and 12 receipts.
Yes, cards are easy. We usually have two kinds: debit cards and credit cards.
Okay, let's explain them slowly. Anna, what is a debit card?
A debit card uses your money, the money in your bank right now. If you buy a sandwich, your money leaves your bank immediately.
Right. And if your account has 0, your card says, no, no, not today, my friend.
Exactly. A debit card keeps you safe because you cannot spend money you don't have.
Good. Now, a credit card is different. When you use a credit card, the bank pays first. Later, you must pay the bank back.
Yes, at the end of the month. And if you do not pay on time, you pay extra. This extra cost is called interest.
Interest, a small word, but a scary one. Let's talk about bank accounts. Most people need at least 2.
Yes. The first one is a checking account. This is for daily life: rent, food, bills. Your debit card connects to this account.
And the second one is a savings account. This money is for the future. You do not touch it every day.
You use it for emergencies, vacations, or big plans. Checking is for now, savings is for later.
Beautiful summary, Anna. If all my money stays in one account, I spend it too fast. I see money and I think, oh, look, I can buy cake. And boom, money is gone.
Cake is dangerous. Very delicious, but dangerous.
Okay, Anna, many listeners want to save money, but saving is hard. Do you have a simple tip?
Yes, my favorite tip is the 24-hour rule.
Tell us more.
If you want to buy something expensive, wait 24 hours. Do not buy it today. Go home, sleep, think. The next day, ask yourself, do I really need this?
I love that. The excitement disappears, and sometimes you realize you don't need that shiny thing.
Exactly. This stops impulse buying.
Impulse buying is my hobby at the supermarket. I go for milk. I come out with cookies, chocolate, chips, and a giant watermelon.
Supermarkets are dangerous places. Here's another tip. Look for sales or discounts.
Discount is a beautiful word. It means cheaper. My wallet becomes happy. Anna, earlier you said something interesting. You said, save money for now, invest money for later. Can you explain investing with very simple English?
Of course, saving means your money sleeps. It is safe, but it does not change much. Investing means your money wakes up and goes to work.
Money going to work. I love this image.
When you invest, you use your money to buy things that grow in value. For example, stocks or real estate.
So, like a plant.
Yes, imagine money is a seed. You plant it, it grows slowly. It can take years, but one day the plant is big.
But plants can also die, right?
Yes, investing has risk. Sometimes the value goes up, sometimes it goes down. But usually, over many years, it grows.
Saving equals safe, but slow. Investing equals risk, but more growth. I understand now. Anna, let's talk about budgeting. A scary word for some people.
Budget means a plan for your money. You write down how much you earn and how much you spend.
When I do this, I realize one thing. I spend too much on coffee.
Many people do. If you make coffee at home, you can save a lot, maybe even $50 or more each month.
$50? That is many coffees, or one very good cake.
Leo, everything becomes cake with you.
I cannot deny it.
Let's teach our listeners some useful phrases. They can use these at the bank.
Good idea. Here we go. I want to open a savings account. Can you explain the interest rate? I would like to deposit money. I need to check my balance. Can you help me with my debit card?
Very helpful and simple.
Wow, Anna, we talked about so much today. Cash, cards, banks, saving, investing, budgeting, and cake.
Yes, a lot of cake.
Before we say goodbye, we have a question for our listeners. What are you saving money for? A trip? A new phone? A house? Something small? Or something big?
Write your answer in the comments. Writing is great practice for your English.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe. Share it with a friend. Be smart with money, be kind with yourself, and keep learning English with us.
Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful week.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.